say for profit for what wouldn't otherwise have invested in.
Right now, Kenya Landscape Actors platform KENLA is bringing together over 200 key landscape leaders across Kenya in a conference to foster cross-sector collaboration to scale impactful, sustainable landscape management practices. Speaking at the event, the National Agricultural Research Laboratories of Kenya Agricultural and Livestock Research Organization, Michael Okoti, said that the aim of the convention is to coordinate actions by landscape actors to facilitate public-private partnerships to leverage on resources and support learning on landscape approaches.
We want to share experience and also synergize on the various strategies we have been using to address challenges within our landscapes. We do this because we acknowledge the interconnectedness of the various landscapes. Landscapes are a bit complex, but they're also very interconnected. Whatever within the mountain regions affects what happens in the lowlands, and what happens in the lowlands also affects what happens in the mountain regions.
Through the certification program, we look at the socio-economic and environmental aspects that revolve production of agricultural commodities that are grown in the south but mainly consumed in the global north. And on the landscapes and communities projects and programs, as members of 1,000 landscapes for 1 billion people, we do implement our programs through integrated landscape management approach.
Right now, palm oil